So today I'll be showing you how to connect an external SSD to your iPhone. Now you might want to do this if you want to transfer some photos and videos to the SSD so that maybe you can use them on a computer or just plainly for backing up. You can also do that to transfer some files either from the iPhone to the SSD or from the SSD to the iPhone. Whatever the reason is, here's how to do it. Now, most SSDs will come with a Type-C connector. At least most modern SSDs do. And the modern iPhones have a lightning port. Okay. So if you have an iPhone 16 or later version with a USB Type-C port and an SSD with a Type-C connector, then you're in luck because all you have to do is go ahead and connect. Simple as that. Now, if you have an older iPhone that does not have the Type-C port and you have the lightning port, then you can also get an adapter. An adapter like this one will have a lightning connector which you can plug into the lightning port of your older iPhone, and then you should have full-size USB. Now again, you're gonna need another adapter, right? You can get an adapter like this one which goes into here. Now first of all, before you talk about that, you might want to get yourself an adapter that has lightning connector and then a Type-C port here, because most SSDs come with a Type-C connector. In case you can't find that and you can only find this one, then this one is lightning to full-size USB, but then I have another adapter here which is full-size USB and lightning female. I mean Type-C female, sorry. So you can connect this here, I can connect this here, and I can connect the lightning connector to the lightning port of my older iPhone. So it all depends on what adapters you have to go around the situation you're in with your iPhone and your SSD. Anyway, connecting is very simple. So once you have connected your SSD to your iPhone, how do you access the SSD? So the SSD is normally accessed through the Files app. Now the Files app is default on any iPhone, so I'm just going to go and type in Files, and this Files app is available on any iPhone. So once you open the Files app, let me just open that and then go to the home page. You can just do that by tapping on Browse. You should see that my T7 Touch, which is my SSD, has been detected. Okay, now your SSD will have a different name, most probably. Mine is a T7 Touch, so here it is, and all I have to do now to access it is to tap on it, and now these are all the folders and files inside my SSD. And so from here I can access the files, I can copy and transfer. But that is basically how to connect. Now I'm just gonna do another separate video on how to transfer files and go into the very details of how to do or how to get the most out of transferring media to and from the SSD. I'm going to link that down below. This video was purely about connecting and what adapters you can use. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you here or in the next one. Good luck.